Humans have different nationalities, but gibbons know no such borders. For a family of gibbons living along the border, starting their day singing in China and heading to Vietnam for a morning playtime is just part of their daily routine. By noon, sleepiness sets in, and the gibbons prepare for a nap. But there's one important task to complete before dozing off: grooming. The two closest females in the family share an embrace before carefully grooming each other's fur. For gibbons, it's a vital social activity that strengthens their bonds.